pussy. Last week I was identified with an emotion. Fuck mine. And I let fear dictate my trading. Emotions are nothing but a weakness in the trading environment. Emotion is the only reason humans deviate from their plan. This week I will be in control. This week I will be the watcher of my thoughts. This week I will follow my trading plan perfectly. Because if I control my emotions perfectly, my trading plan is perfect. Doesn't matter how many trades I lost before this, my plan is perfect. At least that's the goal. And I'd be a fool to let fear stop me from entering a perfect setup. My price was near an omega, one of my greatest discoveries. My members know what that means. A reversal is coming. So I went down to lower time frames and I waited for a liquidity grab. Shout out to ICT. I usually don't hold trades over the weekend, but this was just too perfect. I had almost doubled the account in one trade just by using my Omega and some ICT concepts. But this means nothing to me. The goal is perfection. I already know my trading plan can double accounts in one trade. I posted plenty of videos of me doubling accounts in one trade. The goal is to create the perfect algorithm to create unlimited wealth and bring my people to paradise. I made 100% on the account. How can we get to 200?
I went in for another entry right here. The EMA is still trending. Not risking the entire amount. I'm only risking like $50 as well, so it'll still be at 900. All right, so I got stopped out of my reentry down here after this liquidity grab here and stopped me out. But it's fine because I entered again with the higher lot size this time. So we'll see what this trade does.
You did just double your account in one trade. And I know the plan says not to double down, but you have nothing to fear. I say enter again. Just imagine if you could double your account again. And you did just get stopped out by some manipulation to this wretched matrix. So make the money back. Do it.
I did enter one more time right here on GJ. I'm not gonna get out, but I swear this happens every time I double down. We'll see what the fuck happens, bro. I'm not gonna get out because I don't back out of trades. It is what it is. Like, I got in, I got to suffer the consequences. I chose to enter. It's my fault. We'll see what happens.
I eventually go on to losing those trades. Even good emotions like euphoria are a weakness in the trading environment. Euphoria makes you overconfident. Do you know how overconfident you must feel when you just doubled your account in one trade? But don't forget, this is still a game of probabilities. You made almost 500 in a day, and you also almost lost half of that in a day. Do not deviate from the plan. Sometimes it's best to remain patient and wait for a perfect entry.
Seeing a 3 in this area, so I like it. So I'm going to enter for this buy. If I lose, I lose. I shouldn't have doubled down, and that's why we are down at 700 when we should just be at around 800. So it is what it is. I take accountability. I'm not going to blame the market. Let's see what happens.
Just woke up. You know, sometimes you're not necessarily wrong about the trade. You're just wrong about when. We're at 918 equity. Still climbing for that 1,000. So I'm going to take profit, and then I'm going to run another one.
I will say that maybe I do have a problem with aiming for the moon a little too much, because this one was scary. It had missed my stop loss by a hair. It eventually did go up, only for me to get a little too greedy and have to settle for less.
All right, so I'm going to take profit on this whenever this closes, and then I'm going to enter again. I want to enter right now. Get out of this just to secure some profits. We're at 938 equity.
I kept trading with the trend. All I had to do now is just secure profits right before re-entering.
I just entered this trade right now. The account is at $1,000. Okay, so I don't know how this happened, but I accidentally went in with 2 trades. There's 2 trades open. One, they're both at $100 right now. So I'm gonna take one of them, and I'm gonna just let the other one run. We're at like 1,100 balance. We're at 1,200 equity. All right, just woke up in the morning. Price just consolidated all night. Contemplating getting out. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put like a smaller amount as well. All right, bet. So right now the account's at 1,221. So I'm happy with that. I'm proud of that. From 490, that's impressive.
Impressive indeed. That's over $700 profit in a week using a $400 account. That's over 150% gains in only a week when most traders have to play the slow game. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm a perfectionist. And my goal is to create the perfect trading plan. I made 150% this week. Now the next goal is 200%. But I'm happy to say that I flip accounts. And I'm even happier to see my members flip their accounts using my trading plan. My community is over 20,000 members strong. I am changing lives with my trading plan. And if you would like the exact trading plan that I use to flip $490 to $1,200 in only 1 week, then you have to join the School of Gods. There are certain secrets I just refuse to share on YouTube. I refuse to let my discoveries become mainstream and let the Matrix play against my plan. So as I continue to perfect my plan, my group will become more and more exclusive, and the price will continue to increase. As the stock price of the School of Gods continues to increase. So many people have asked how to get inside my school. The link is in the description. And if it doesn't work, you'll just have to find someone who's inside. Because I don't let everyone inside paradise. But to all my members of paradise, we are one step closer to paradise. So until paradise.
After doing your plan yesterday, I back tested it on some crypto and it worked out.
Okay, that's
I did
good.
it this morning with this crypto and I'm up 13 bands, bro.
Oh, dead ass, nigga? Okay.
Dead ass.
Yo, that's fire. That's so fire, bro.